Wrapped in silver sheets, your skin felt like a volcano.